Hello everyone, this is Mihir Koralwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Tech Mahindra. Analyst maintains buy on Tech Mahindra with price target of Rs 1950 as the improved rate of deal wins with consistent expansion in margins keep it on track to achieve long-term goals. New deal wins improved to $745 million, dollars, up 24% quarter on quarter, 96% year on year on account of several large and multi-tower deals in telecom and manufacturing verticals. Management is optimistic about meeting its long-term objectives on account of positive deal trends and margin improvements along with investment in generative AI and strategic partnerships. At current market price, the stock trades at 20.7x its 27 earnings estimate.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.